Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to auto-like and comment to any video reel on Facebook that you want by using your multiple Facebook account. So here is my software I currently using to manage and use with multiple Facebook accounts. So first is the account management. So with this function, you can add and manage a limited Facebook account if you want. So to add your account here, you will need to create a new category and to add account here. So after I have an account like this, I will choose the category that I want and choose the account like this. So I will right click and to log in via browser, and the software will also open browser like this and will log into the account that I choose. Okay, so basically this is the way that I manage and use multiple Facebook account. So I will close browser, and so to next to auto-like comment to any video reel on Facebook, I will need to prepare content. So I will go to content management in this software, and same as the account management, I will need to create a new category to save my content. And after having the category like this, I will choose add spot to add a new post about sitting. Sitting is mean to auto-like auto comment. Next, thus I will select category, and I will enter the post title and the content of post, and I will choose and I also can upload image or video that I want, and I will press save to save a new content. So after having a content like this, I will go to seeding function, and so first I will select the category of account, and I will choose the account, and next I will set up the basic configuration. First is a break time between two actions. I will set up to 10 to 20 seconds, and I will select the content. I will select the category and choose all the content that I already add in the content management. Next, I will select the type of seeding. You can seeding by profile, seeding by post, seeding by comment, seeding video, seeding by stream. So I will choose seeding reel, and I will enter the UID of the reel that I want to seeding in here. So for example, I want to seeding this reel, so I will copy this UID, and I will paste it in here and save. Next, you can choose the emotion that you want, and we choose comment. And after everything set up, I restart and let the software do the work. And in here you can see the result, current action, the system block. So here you can see the system log your notification that I like and comment successful. So I will go back to the post of reel and refresh this post and check it. Here, so you can see this all my comment of my account that I using my software to do it. So basically, I just show you how to auto-like, how to comment to any video reel on Facebook that you want by using your multiple Facebook account. Thank you so much for watching my video. If you need this software or more information, you guys can contact me my Telegram or WhatsApp. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to see more video about automation software.